Let me explain why this approach feels different, not just in content, but in sequence. Most programs begin with food rules, eat this, avoid that, but rules don't work when your system is in survival mode. Beneath every craving, every I'll start again Monday is a trigger, a memory, a moment where your nervous system learned that food equals safety. The biohijack doesn't start with control, it starts with context. Why you reach for the sugar at 4 p.m., why your willpower disappears at night, why the fridge feels like a lifeline when no one's texting back. We begin before biology at the level of trauma, habit, and nervous system triggers. There are 3 core phases. Phase 1, behavioral and nervous system triggers. This is where cravings actually start. Food becomes a coping mechanism long before it becomes a health problem. So we start by mapping your personal triggers. What does your body associate with safety? What patterns have been rehearsed so many times that they now feel automatic? Phase 2, biological recalibration. Once the system feels safer, we stabilize the biology. Blood sugar, gut health, dopamine loops. This is where your microbiome stops hijacking your signals and where your energy stops crashing at lunchtime. Phase 3, identity and self-trust rebuild. When your cravings quieten and your system isn't bracing anymore, you stop second-guessing every bite. You start to feel, maybe for the first time in years, that your choices are truly yours. Why does this work when nothing else has? Because we don't start at the surface. We don't punish the symptoms. We listen to them so that change happens organically beneath, quiet enough to make a big difference and loud enough that it sticks.